In today's fast-paced digital world, the concept of earning passive income has taken on a new dimension, especially with the rise of artificial intelligence. Imagine getting paid by AI for doing absolutely nothing. Sounds intriguing, right? This idea revolves around leveraging AI technologies to create streams of income that require minimal effort on your part. As AI continues to permeate various industries, from finance to healthcare and even content creation, it's reshaping how we think about work and income. The growing trend of automation and intelligent systems means that many tasks can now be handled by machines, allowing individuals to focus on more creative or strategic endeavors. But what does this mean for you? The potential benefits of this innovative approach are vast. For starters, it opens up opportunities for financial freedom, enabling you to earn money while you sleep. Additionally, it can provide a safety net in uncertain economic times, as AI-driven income sources can be more stable than traditional jobs. In this video, we'll explore how you can tap into these AI technologies to create a passive income stream, discuss the implications of this trend, and highlight the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. So, stick around as we dive deeper into this fascinating topic. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal effort or active involvement on your part. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade time for money, like a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not actively working. This concept is particularly relevant in the context of artificial intelligence, as AI technologies can streamline processes and create income opportunities that require little to no ongoing effort. There are various sources of passive income that can be significantly enhanced by AI. For instance, affiliate marketing can be automated using AI tools that analyze consumer behavior and optimize marketing strategies. Similarly, creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, can be made easier with AI-driven platforms that handle customer interactions and sales processes. Successful passive income strategies using AI tools are already making waves. For example, some entrepreneurs use AI algorithms to manage stock portfolios, allowing them to earn returns without constant monitoring. Others leverage AI-powered content creation tools to generate blog posts or videos that attract ad revenue, all while they focus on other ventures. In this evolving landscape, understanding how to harness AI for passive income can open doors to financial independence and a more flexible lifestyle. AI tools for earning money. In the quest for effortless income generation, several AI tools have emerged as game changers. One of the most popular platforms is ChatGPT, which can assist in content creation by generating engaging articles, social media posts, and even marketing copy. Similarly, Jasper is another powerful AI writing assistant that helps users create high-quality content quickly, making it easier to build blogs or online businesses without spending hours on writing. Beyond content creation, AI-driven investment apps are revolutionizing how we manage our finances. These platforms automate trading and portfolio management, allowing users to invest without needing extensive market knowledge. Apps like Wealthfront and Betterment use algorithms to analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions on your behalf, helping you grow your wealth with minimal effort. Affiliate marketing is another area where AI tools shine. AI-based affiliate marketing platforms streamline the process of finding and promoting products, requiring little input from users. Tools like Refersion and Affys utilize AI to analyze performance metrics and optimize campaigns, ensuring you earn commissions without the hassle of constant monitoring. By leveraging these innovative AI tools, you can create multiple streams of income effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters while your money works for you. Setting up your AI income stream. Getting started with your AI-driven income sources is easier than you might think. First, choose the right AI platform that aligns with your goals. For content creation, platforms like ChatGPT or Jasper are excellent choices. To sign up, simply visit their websites, create an account, and follow the prompts to set up your profile. For investment apps, download the app of your choice, such as Wealthfront or Betterment, and complete the registration process by providing the necessary financial information. Next, it's crucial to select the right niche for your passive income. Consider your interests and expertise, as this will make it easier to create content or promote products. Research trending topics or profitable markets to identify where you can add value. A well-defined niche not only attracts a targeted audience but also enhances your chances of success. Once you've established your niche and signed up for the appropriate platforms, focus on automating your processes. Many AI tools offer features that allow you to schedule content, manage social media posts, or even automate trading. By setting these processes on autopilot, you can maximize your earnings with minimal effort. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a sustainable AI-driven income stream that works for you, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of passive income. Monitoring and optimizing earnings. Once you've set up your AI-driven income streams, the next crucial step is monitoring and optimizing your earnings. To effectively track your income, consider using tools like Google Analytics for website performance or affiliate dashboards provided by platforms like Refersion. These tools offer valuable insights into your traffic sources, conversion rates, and overall performance, allowing you to see which strategies are working and which need adjustment. Understanding the data is essential for optimizing your income. Regularly review your analytics to identify trends and patterns. For instance, if certain content types or products are performing better than others, consider focusing your efforts there. Adjusting your strategies based on these data insights can significantly enhance your earnings. This might involve tweaking your content, changing your marketing approach, or even exploring new niches that show promise. Moreover, the world of AI is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest advancements can give you a competitive edge. Engage in continuous learning by following industry news, participating in webinars, or joining online communities focused on AI and passive income. By keeping your knowledge up to date, you can adapt your strategies to leverage new tools and techniques, ensuring your income streams remain robust and profitable over time. Common pitfalls to avoid. When venturing into the world of earning with AI, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls that can hinder your success. One of the most significant mistakes people make is having unrealistic expectations about passive income. While AI can streamline processes and create opportunities, it's important to understand that building a sustainable income stream takes time and effort. Expecting instant results can lead to disappointment and frustration. Another critical aspect to consider is the importance of thorough research before investing your time or money. Many individuals jump into AI platforms or investment opportunities without fully understanding how they work. Taking the time to educate yourself about the tools and strategies available can save you from costly mistakes. Look for reputable sources, read reviews, and seek advice from experienced users to ensure you're making informed decisions. Additionally, be cautious of scams that promise quick riches. The allure of easy money can be tempting, but many fraudulent schemes prey on those looking for fast returns. Always verify the legitimacy of any platform or opportunity before committing your resources. By staying vigilant and informed, you can navigate the AI landscape more effectively and avoid these common pitfalls, setting yourself up for a more successful and rewarding experience in generating income. In summary, leveraging AI for generating passive income offers a wealth of opportunities that can transform your financial landscape. We've explored how AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can streamline content creation, while investment apps automate trading and portfolio management. These technologies allow you to earn money with minimal effort, making it easier than ever to create sustainable income streams. However, it's crucial to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Taking action is key. Whether it's signing up for AI platforms, researching your niche, or automating your processes. The more you engage with these opportunities, the better your chances of achieving financial independence. As you embark on this journey, stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and be cautious of common pitfalls, such as unrealistic expectations and scams. By doing so, you'll be well equipped to navigate this exciting landscape. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI and passive income strategies. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, and we appreciate your support as we explore the future of earning with AI together. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.